Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AVXL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and just makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very, very nice movement today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So a lot of eyeballs on this one, so let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk areas of resistance. So the first area of support is what I would consider the ideal level. I mean, if you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be if the price can stay up above $3.40. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below $3.40, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can somehow manage to stay up above that area, that would certainly be a huge sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at things from a big picture point of view, that's where the purple line comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that purple line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move, this right here being defined as quote-unquote the move, just watch that purple line. As long as the price can stay above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full control, the bulls are in full health, however you can best visualize that. Again, yeah, staying above 340 would be great, but from the grand scheme of things, as long as the price stays above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? As it stands right now, the key levels where the sellers seem to be hanging out right up there around $3.85. I realize the price did technically go above there at one point, but there was a couple other times where the price didn't quite hit that area. So I'm just kind of splitting the difference there and calling it $3.85. All in all, though, any way you look at it, very, very nice day to day. And at this point going forward, it's all about building those higher bases, because as long as the chart is putting in higher lows over time, everything else will take care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. So focus on building higher lows and then just sit back and let the chart do its thing. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.